This video is about pelvic tilt and how important it is to utilize when you're getting over being a knee locker and you want to make your back feel better. So we're going to start with the traditional pelvic tilt. She's lying on her back. And what I want you to do is inhale and let your back arch to a pain-free range of motion. And now exhale, use the muscles sequentially. Pull your navel to your spine and take your spine down. Good. This is your first time doing this? Inhale, gently arch, pain-free. And then exhale and use your ab muscles. They start here and they go all the way up to here. Go, pull down. You always want to do this on a firm surface, okay? Inhale, arch. And that's how she normally stands, like this. And then exhale and down. So this is an exaggeration of how the muscles you're going to be using when you're standing. So go ahead and one at a time, put your legs out long. Can you do that same exercise with your legs out long? Try it. So inhale, let your back come up a little bit, pain-free always. And now exhale, and from here, pull in and down. And with the weight of your legs down there, it's pure abs, isn't it? Right? And go ahead and inhale and gently arch. And then exhale and down. Beautiful. So when you've been a knee locker, the low back is very used to being in that position, and it's the low abs needing the strength to pull everything back in alignment for when you're standing. Good job.